Welcome to our Stoic quest. Have you ever faced rejection and felt like it was the end of the world? What if, in that moment of despair, you were actually standing at the brink of a new beginning? This intriguing question invites us to explore the silver lining that rejection may conceal, opening our minds to a transformational perspective. Let's dive into the fascinating world of reverse psychology, a concept that, when intertwined with the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, presents a powerful tool for personal growth. Drawing inspiration from Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor of Rome, we find a timeless guide that encourages us to view rejection not as a setback, but as a stepping stone. Reverse psychology, at its core, is about the strategic use of opposition to prompt a specific reaction. This technique, when applied to the experience of rejection, aligns with Stoic principles by encouraging us to embrace what we cannot control. Through this lens, rejection becomes not an obstacle but an opportunity for introspection and growth. Marcus Aurelius, a master of Stoic thought, once faced betrayal and opposition with unparalleled equanimity. His life offers a compelling story of how reverse psychology can turn potential threats into victories. By viewing every challenge as a chance to practice virtue, Marcus Aurelius transformed adversity into advantage, teaching us to do the same. Stoicism teaches us the importance of perception. How we choose to view rejection can dramatically alter its impact on our lives. By adopting a Stoic perspective, we learn to see rejection not as a personal attack, but as a neutral event. This shift in perception is crucial for turning rejection from a source of pain into a catalyst for growth. In the face of rejection, Marcus Aurelius teaches us a valuable lesson. Our thoughts shape our reality. By simply reframing our perspective on rejection, we can transform it from a negative event into an opportunity for growth. This technique involves pausing to consider the benefits that rejection can bring, such as resilience and self-discovery. Perception plays a crucial role in Stoicism, and viewing rejection through a different lens can significantly alter its impact on us. Instead of seeing it as a setback, we can choose to view it as a chance to reassess our path and realign with our core values. This shift in perspective can lead to profound personal development and a deeper understanding of what truly matters to us. Amor fati, or the love of fate, is a concept that encourages us to embrace every aspect of our lives, including rejection. This acceptance allows us to move forward with confidence, knowing that each experience, no matter how challenging, is contributing to our growth. By loving our fate, we open ourselves up to the endless possibilities that life has to offer. Turning a significant rejection into a stepping stone for success is exemplified by numerous modern figures who have faced setbacks only to emerge stronger and more determined. Their stories inspire us to view our rejections not as the end of our journey, but as a pivotal moment that can lead to greater achievements. Rejection also serves as a tool for self-examination, prompting us to reflect on our goals, desires, and values. This introspection can reveal misalignments between our pursuits and our true selves, guiding us back onto a path that resonates more deeply with our personal ethos. Through this process, we learn to use rejection as a catalyst for realigning with our most authentic selves. Resilience, a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, is paramount when navigating the rough seas of rejection. This virtue isn't about negating the emotional pain, but rather about enduring and learning from it. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius viewed each setback as an opportunity to fortify their inner strength, teaching us that resilience can transform rejection into a stepping stone towards our personal development. Anecdotal wisdom underscores the power of resilience beautifully. Consider the story of a renowned author whose manuscript faced countless rejections before finally getting published and becoming a bestseller. This narrative serves as a compelling reminder that resilience in the face of rejection is not just about persistence, but also about belief in one's own value and capabilities. Understanding the rejector's perspective introduces a layer of empathy to the process, a component that enriches our resilience. By considering why a rejection occurred from the viewpoint of the one who rejected us, we can gain insights into our own actions or proposals, thereby refining our approach and growing from the experience. Encouraging viewers to share their rejection stories in the comments fosters a community of empathy and understanding. This interactive engagement not only helps individuals feel less isolated in their experiences, but also provides a plethora of real-life lessons on how different people exercise resilience in the face of rejection. Acknowledging rejection's role in clarifying our goals is another lesson drawn from Stoic wisdom. Marcus Aurelius believed that obstacles could redirect us towards our true paths. Therefore, each rejection offers a moment of reflection, helping us to sharpen our focus and realign with our core objectives, ultimately leading to a more purposeful pursuit of success. Rejection often brings into sharp focus what truly matters to us. Marcus Aurelius believed that adversity is the path to truth, encouraging us to use moments of rejection as opportunities to clarify our goals. By examining what we're being rejected from, we can better understand our true desires and aspirations, leading to a more focused pursuit of what genuinely fulfills us. Setting goals in the wake of rejection can feel daunting, yet it's a powerful step toward resilience. Start by identifying what you learned from the experience and how it can inform your future aims. This exercise isn't just about moving past rejection, it's about transforming it into a foundation for your next success. Marcus Aurelius would urge us to view each rejection not as a setback, but as a redirection toward a path more aligned with our core values. The art of detachment plays a crucial role in handling rejection. Stoicism teaches us not to tie our self-worth to external outcomes. By practicing detachment, we learn to appreciate our efforts and growth, regardless of the immediate results. This mindset shift is vital for maintaining our equilibrium and mental peace in the face of life's inevitable ups and downs. Stoicism also introduces the power of anticipation. By mentally preparing for rejection, we reduce its emotional impact. Imagine facing rejection in various scenarios and remind yourself that it's not the end, but a step in your journey. This practice strengthens our resilience, making us more adaptable and less vulnerable to the sting of rejection. Visualization is a potent tool in our arsenal against the fear of rejection. By envisioning ourselves facing rejection head-on and emerging stronger, we build an inner confidence that transcends our external circumstances. This technique not only prepares us for potential setbacks, but also reinforces our ability to use every experience, positive or negative, as a stepping stone toward our personal growth. Wrapping up, we delve into the transformative power of leveraging rejection to our advantage, a wisdom deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy. This approach not only fortifies our resilience, but also transforms obstacles into stepping stones for personal and professional growth, embodying the essence of using adversity as a catalyst for self-improvement. Revisiting the real-life example shared earlier, we see a vivid illustration of someone who, faced with significant rejection, pivoted it into a remarkable success. This story not only inspires, but also serves as a practical model for how shifting our perception of rejection can lead to unprecedented achievements and fulfillment. Marcus Aurelius, a beacon of Stoic wisdom, once said, "The obstacle on the path becomes the way." This powerful quote encapsulates our discussion, urging us to perceive rejection not as a roadblock, but as a path to greater resilience and enlightenment. It's a reminder that every rejection holds a lesson and an opportunity for growth. We then invite viewers to engage in reflection, pondering on a recent rejection and identifying the hidden lessons it might hold. This exercise isn't just about introspection, but about turning theory into actionable insights, encouraging personal development and a deeper understanding of Stoic principles in everyday life. Finally, we foster community engagement by asking viewers to share how they've used or intend to use rejection to their advantage. This not only builds a supportive environment, but also allows for the exchange of stories and strategies, enriching everyone's journey towards embracing rejection as a tool for personal growth and resilience. Engaging with our content on Stoicism and personal growth is just the beginning of your journey. By subscribing, you're not only supporting the channel, but also ensuring you don't miss out on valuable insights that could transform your approach to life's challenges. Let us be your guide on this path of self-improvement. If this video has sparked a light of curiosity or offered you a new perspective, consider sharing the wisdom. Liking and sharing not only help spread these timeless Stoic principles, but also connect others who might be seeking guidance or a community that understands their struggles with rejection and personal growth. For those of you eager to dive deeper into the Stoic philosophy and the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, we recommend picking up a book that thoroughly explores these subjects. Books not only provide a more in-depth understanding, but also serve as a constant companion and reminder of the lessons learned. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another facet of Stoic wisdom that promises to further enrich your life. Your anticipation and curiosity fuel our passion for creating content that not only educates but also inspires action and reflection. This sneak peek is just a taste of what's to come. We are truly grateful for your time and engagement with our content. It's your curiosity and willingness to grow that build the foundation of our community. Remember, your feedback is invaluable as it helps shape our future videos, ensuring we cover topics that resonate with you and aid in your personal development journey. As we wrap up today's journey into the transformative power of rejection through Stoic eyes, I'm excited to hint at our next adventure together. Stay tuned, for this exploration promises to arm you with the tools for unparalleled tranquility and resilience. Thank you sincerely for being part of our growing community. Your engagement and curiosity fuel this journey we're on together. The stories you share are the heartbeat of our community. Today I want to highlight a story from one of you. After facing a challenging rejection, this individual applied the principles of Stoicism we discussed, transforming their perspective and outcome. It's a powerful reminder of how our shared insights can lead to real-world triumphs. I encourage you to not just absorb today's lessons, but to actively engage with them. Practice the Stoic exercises we've explored and reflect on how they impact your daily life. Remember, the true strength of these teachings lies in their application. Your journey through rejection to resilience is a path paved with active practice and reflection. Before we part, I leave you with a final thought from the Stoics. The obstacle on the path becomes the path. Let this be a reminder that every rejection, every challenge, is not just an obstacle, but an opportunity for growth and learning. Keep this wisdom close as you navigate the complexities of life. Reflecting on an impactful Stoic quote can serve as a daily reminder of the wisdom that has endured through ages. Let these words inspire you to view rejection not as a setback, but as an opportunity for development and insight. Such perspectives can dramatically shift how you approach challenges in life. In conclusion, we kindly request you to activate the notification bell. This action will ensure you are promptly informed about our new content, providing continuous support and guidance as you incorporate Stoicism into your daily life. Staying connected is essential to never missing out on lessons that can significantly contribute to your personal development. Please remember to like and subscribe. Stay strong, stay Stoic.